Hey guys! With spring around the corner, you may be feeling motivated to get your clean on. Do you like cleaning?
No.
Or not, but either way, here are 3 easy tips to save money cleaning. I'm Catherine, a former teacher, and I'm passionate about finding easy ways to stay on budget and save money. First, make your own cleaners. Lots of times we think we need to spend a bunch of money on expensive cleaning products, but that's just not the case. The vast majority of surfaces in your home can be cleaned using a mild dish soap. Mix it with a little bit of water in a spray bottle. It makes a great surface spray. It also lifts stains from carpets, and you're gonna blot it up with this. Thank you. It's mild, won't damage most surfaces, and picks up a ton of grime. You can also try my favorite DIY all-purpose cleaner, which is a 50-50 blend of water, vinegar, and a little bit of eucalyptus or lavender essential oil because of their antimicrobial properties. This is a great all-purpose cleaner for any non-porous surface, and it will leave your windows
stick-free.
I just love this stuff.
Sometimes I wonder why I bother to clean the glass.
And I love even more that you can save a bunch. A spray bottle like this would cost about $3 to $4 in the store, and I'm making it for just 75 cents. Now, one of the biggest complaints I hear about natural cleaners or natural cleaning products is the residue that it leaves behind on surfaces. The reason for this is the water that's left on the surface, and that can cause bacteria to regrow. So what I like to do is follow up after cleaning with a polishing cloth. It takes up all of the water and leaves all of your countertops looking beautiful. I always make this Carson's job.
You polish it until it's bone dry.
Nice helping, buddy. Next, the best $1 products. I love the off-brand magic erasers. You can find these at the dollar store or even on Amazon in large quantities. They will clean any nick or scuff off the wall, and believe me, we have a lot of them.
Why'd you draw in my cabinets?
I also love the dollar store microfiber gloves for cleaning blinds and tops of ceiling fans, and I adore their microfiber cloths. They're just $1 and they do have eco-friendly options. The sponges are another great buy, and always pick up a squeegee, especially if you have a glass shower door. It's gonna save you a lot of cleaning later from hard water stains.
Owen likes watching you do this.
Tip 3, reuse. Avoid paper towels wherever you can. Use old rags or t-shirts for an inexpensive way to dust. To revive and disinfect your sponges, stick them in the microwave for about 10 seconds or even in the dishwasher to disinfect them. And my secret weapon is a ready-to-go mop with a removable and washable pad. It's perfect for those quick spills. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you've got any tips, make sure to leave them down below. Or if you have ideas for getting your kids to help you clean. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
What did you do?